Hello. So to find your specials courses and the activities that you'll have for PE, art, and music, you're going to first go to courses, of course. Make sure that you're in our virtual online course. And then you're going to scroll down. You can use your arrow keys or your mouse to scroll down, and you're going to find this blue button that says specials on it. Then from there, you're going to click on either the art picture, which will be a little paintbrush, PE, or music. And once you click on it, it will take you right to your PE, art, or music class. Now my screen looks a little bit different because I'm a teacher, but yours will pop up and it will show you your specials teachers and what they want you to do today for your art, music, or PE activity.